Have you ever heard about the boiled egg diet? A fascinating concept, isn't it? This diet has been garnering a lot of attention on social media, becoming something of a sensation. And why wouldn't it, when the diet industry itself is a booming billion-dollar affair, with millions of Americans hopping onto new diet trends each year? Now, let's delve into what this diet entails. The boiled egg diet, as the name suggests, features hard-boiled eggs as the star, but it doesn't stop there. The diet also incorporates metabolism-boosting fruits, low-carb veggies, and lean proteins. The aim is to create a balanced, nutrient-rich plan that fuels the body while promoting weight loss. But like with any diet, it's not just about the foods you eat. It's about understanding the impact on your overall health and lifestyle. Intriguing, isn't it? But before you dive in, let's understand this diet a bit more. So, what does this boiled egg diet entail? Well, it's a bit more than just popping a bunch of hard-boiled eggs. It's a careful balance of several food groups. The diet is primarily centered around hard-boiled eggs, which are a rich source of protein and nutrients. They're the main actors of this dietary drama, if you will. Now, enter the supporting cast: metabolism-boosting fruits, low-carb vegetables, and lean proteins. Fruits like apples, blueberries, and oranges are often included for their ability to rev up your metabolism. Low-carb veggies, think broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers, are also a key part of the diet. They provide essential nutrients and fiber without the extra carbs that can hinder weight loss. Lean proteins, such as chicken, turkey, or fish, round out the menu. These proteins are a must-have because they help you feel full and satisfied, which can curb overeating. Together, these components of the boiled egg diet are thought to promote weight loss by creating a calorie deficit, while still providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Now that you know what the boiled egg diet is made up of, it's time to delve into a more critical analysis. As with any diet, it's essential to understand the pros and cons. The boiled egg diet does have some positive aspects. Eggs, for instance, are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. They also provide a range of vital nutrients, including vitamin B2, selenium, and even a bit of vitamin D. The diet also includes metabolism-boosting fruits and low-carb veggies, contributing to a well-rounded nutrient intake. However, the potential downsides are worth noting. Though eggs are nutritious, relying on them as the primary food source can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Variety is key in a balanced diet, and the boiled egg diet's restrictive nature may hinder that. There's also the risk of developing unhealthy eating habits. The diet's rigid structure and focus on a single food item might promote an unhealthy relationship with food. It's important to remember that prolonged calorie restriction can have negative effects on the body, including slowed metabolism and muscle loss. It seems like the boiled egg diet is not as simple as it sounds, is it? So, is the boiled egg diet the magical solution to weight loss? We've navigated through the ins and outs of this popular trend, uncovering its components, potential benefits, and possible drawbacks. The diet consists of hard-boiled eggs, metabolism-boosting fruits, low-carb vegetables, and lean proteins, painting a picture of a high-protein, low-carb food plan. While eggs are indeed a rich source of protein and nutrients, the diet's restrictive nature could potentially lead to nutrient deficiencies and unhealthy eating habits. It's also worth noting that the rapid weight loss results, a claim that has certainly fueled its popularity, may not be a healthy or sustainable approach to weight management in the long run. It's essential to remember that diets like this one, built around a single food item, might not be the best route to achieving your health goals. The boiled egg diet might offer quick results, but its long-term efficacy and impact on overall health remain dubious. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is balance, not restriction. Now, you are better informed to make your decision about the boiled egg diet.